Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Gellen nail extension kit. They had reached out to me for review and I was so excited to receive this because I've seen many YouTubers review this particular kit. Not only did they send that to me, but they sent me the gel nail polish collection. So we will get into that in a minute. So let's dig into this. It is packaged really nicely. You get everything that you need to do your gel nail extensions. Your instruction booklet, that's for the little lamp. I think I have like 50 of these things now. And then you have your instruction booklet. So this was kind of unique. You do get a glitter and what I would call like Christmas tree tinsel or garland, which was a fabulous idea. I love the color. It's like a unicorn type color. So yeah, I was like, oh, I could do a lot with this. So we will incorporate that into our design. Here is the little clippy clip. And for application, here's your nail prep dehydrator. They come in 0.5 fluid ounces. There is the primer, your gel glue, and your top coat. Like I said, these are nice sizes, guys. These are really, really nice. Here is the cord adapter and your nail lamp. These are pretty standard. Some of them do turn on and off, but this one you turn it on and then you have to unplug it to turn it off. And here we have the box of the acrylic nail tips. You get 240 pieces. They come in 12 sizes from numbers 0 to number 11. So what I like about these nails is out of all the kits that I've ever tried, these nails fit perfect. I have wider nail beds and I was really surprised at how well these fit. So that was a huge plus, especially for those of us that have wider nail beds. So as you can see, they do include the 100-180 grit buffer and file. And then here are the directions. For the purpose of this video, I will not be applying the primer. I do have a peel-off base coat on my natural nails, so I'm just going to lightly buff them and then proceed with the application process. And here we have the Gellen Gel Nail Polish Collection set that they had sent me. It is an 18-piece set with 1 top coat and 1 base coat and 16 colors. I like that there are still some summer colors in here and a little bit of fall, so these will be fun to play with. These adorable little bottles come in 6 milliliters or 0.21 fluid ounces and are so pigmented. And these are the colors that I chose to work with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great week. Bye.